Hello viewers, welcome to Psychology Corner. Today we are going to study about neurotransmitters. More than 70 different neurotransmitters have been identified so far and others surely will be discovered. Some neurotransmitters can bind to more than one type of receptor and cause different effects on different types of receptors. For example, the neurotransmitter glutamate can activate at least 10 types of receptor molecules, enabling neurons to respond in distinct ways to these same neurotransmitters. Certain neurotransmitters are excitatory at some sites and inhibitory at other sites because two types of receptor molecules are involved. So let's go through some of the prominent neurotransmitters. First comes acetylcholine. Acetylcholine is present at many synapses throughout the nervous system. It is usually excitatory, but it can also be inhibitory in nature. Depending on the type of receptor molecules in the membrane of the receiving neuron, acetylcholine is particularly prevalent in an area of the forebrain called the hippocampus, which plays a key role in the formation of new memories. This neurotransmitter plays a prominent role in Alzheimer's disease, a devastating disorder that affects many older people by causing impairment of memory and other cognitive functions. Neurons in the forebrain that produce acetylcholine tend to degenerate in Alzheimer's patients who can produce less acetylcholine. The less acetylcholine is produced, the more serious the memory loss. Acetylcholine is also released at every synapse where a neuron terminates at a skeletal muscle fiber. The acetylcholine is directed onto small structures called end plates on the muscle cells. The end plates are covered with the receptor molecules that, when activated by acetylcholine, trigger a molecule linkage inside the muscle cells that causes them to contact. Certain drugs that affect the acetylcholine can reduce muscle paralysis. For example, botulinum toxin, which forms from bacteria and improperly can first blocks the release of acetylcholine at nerve muscles. Synapses can cause death by paralyzing the muscles used in breathing. Some nerve gases develop for warfare, as well as many pesticides cause paralysis by destroying the enzyme that degrades acetylcholine once the neuron is fired. When the degradation process fails, there is an uncontrolled buildup of acetylcholine in the nervous system and normal synaptic transmission becomes impossible. Another type of neurotransmitter is norepinephrine. Norepinephrine is a neurotransmitter that is produced mainly by neurons in the brain stem. Cocaine and amphetamines prolong the action of norepinephrine by slowing down its reuptake. Because of this delay, the receiving neurons are activated for a longer period, which causes these drugs stimulating psychological effects. In contrast, lithium speeds up this reuptake of norepinephrine, causing a person's mood level to be depressed. Any drug that causes norepinephrine to increase or decrease in the brain is correlated with an increase or decrease in the individual's mood level. Then comes a dopamine. Dopamine is chemically very similar to norepinephrine. Release of dopamine in certain areas of the brain produces intense feelings of pleasure, and current research is investigating the role of dopamine in the development of addiction. Too much dopamine in some areas of the brain may cause schizophrenia, and too little in other areas may lead to Parkinson's disease. Drugs used to treat schizophrenia, such as chlorpromazine and clozapine, block the receptors for dopamine. In contrast, L-Dopa, a drug commonly prescribed to treat Parkinson's disease, increases dopamine in the brain. Serotonin. Like norepinephrine, serotonin plays an important role in mood regulation. For example, low levels of serotonin have been associated with feelings of depression. Serotonin reuptake inhibitors are antidepressants that increase serotonin levels in the brain by blocking its uptake by neurons. Prozac, Zoloft, and Tadvil drugs that are commonly prescribed to treat depression are serotonin reuptake inhibitors. Because serotonin is also important in the regulation of sleep and appetite, it is also used to treat the eating disorder bulimia. Interestingly, the hallucinogenic drug lysergic and acid diethylamide LSD induces its effect by binding to serotonin receptors in the blood. Glutamate. The excitatory neurotransmitter glutamate is present in more neurons of the central nervous system than any other transmitter. Glutamate is excitatory because it depolarizes the neurons upon which it is released. Of the three or more subtypes of glutamate receptors, one in particular, the NMDA receptor, is thought to affect learning and memory. It is named for the chemical N-methyl D-aspartate (NMDA) that is used to detect it. Neurons in the hippocampus are particularly rich in NMDA receptors, and in this area seems to be critical in the formation of new memories. Disruption in glutamate neurotransmissions have been implicated in schizophrenia. GABA. Another prominent amino acid neurotransmitter is gamma aminobutyric acid. This substance is a major nit-free transmitter. In fact, most synapses in the brain use GABA. The drug picrotoxin, which blocks the GABA receptors, produces convulsions because muscle movement cannot be controlled by the brain without GABA's inactive influence. The tranquilizing effects of certain anti-anxiety drugs, the benzodiazepines, are a result of GABA's inhibitory action. The functions of these neurotransmitters have been explained. This is for today, and I will come up with another video. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day.